Hello student, welcome to my class of computer for class 9th. Today we'll understand the applying formatting feature in which we have learned, that is demonstrating the format, paragraph formatting, indent, align, okay, and aligning font color, highlighting color and background color. So let's begin student. So to do that we have to open Office 4.1.7. Select text document. And paragraph is a bunch of some line also, okay. So we can go through by syllabus first what it says. So you can see that a paragraph is a document that have the several lines and sentence, a single sentence, a single word or the word in all, okay student. So it means to say a paragraph is also considered as a collection, I mean to say bunch of the sentence, single sentence and word or the lines also, okay. So we can style them also, that is known as paragraph styling. So we need to just know how to do that. To do that student, I am going to tell you what is the paragraph styling. So suppose that if I am writing here, this is my line, okay student. So suppose that I am going to copy it to make it paragraph, okay, and I have just pasted it here. So now you can see that student, this is considered as several line, okay, and a collection of what thing, paragraph. So I can see here student, as I just type the particular line here, you can see that here is apply style drop down menu here just below to the standard toolbar. So this toolbar has what thing, its own styling. It means to say whatever writing style, like here font writing style, its a size, bold, italic, underline, okay, its alignment, okay, etc. If I'm going to change its style like heading 2, okay, or heading 1, so you can see that changes has come in paragraph, okay. If I'm going to create third one, okay, so I will show you student how to do that. Suppose that every styling has its own font style, okay. Now you can say bookman style book, okay, heading 2, okay, so its own style also. So now we can see formatting style option by clicking style and formatting box. Now you can see that student paragraph style, character style, frame style, page style and list style. So we are talking in this topic particular paragraph style. So here you can see student, number of the styling is given here. So suppose that same thing I will write here, that is this is my line, okay student. So I can select it and then I can change it in any what thing style also. You have to just double click on it and now you can see style has been going to be changed, okay student. So this is, you can see here is styling going to be changed of paragraph. You can see bold, italic, bold sometime, okay, body intent, text body intent. So you can see student, we can change the paragraph style by selecting the line, okay, or paragraph and go to format and style and formatting option, and then after that you have to double click on the any of the option that you like, okay student. Now next thing we will read in this particular topic, that is intent of the paragraph. So here according to intent of paragraph we will understand what is that. So the entire paragraph can be indented in one step. Place to the text cursor anywhere in the margin, I mean to say paragraph. Select the click on the increase indent tool, or timely you can see that click on the increase indent tool and the current paragraph intent will increase. These also decrease the intent tool that removes the intent, okay. Now increase and intent of the third paragraph in our assignment of the report, output will be shown like this one thing. So student, what I will going to do student, so to understand the intent I am going to just copy this particular what thing, this paragraph, okay student, just copy it and I have pasted here. So I am just going to remove it and now paste it here. Now you can see student, according to book it says you have to click anywhere in the particular paragraph. So you can see I like cursor has indicates you are in paragraph, okay student. Now we will talk about intent increase and decrease. So you have to just click on this particular option, that is intent increase. The tooltip has come, that by that you can understand what is that. So intent increase, so you can just click it, you can see the writing edge is increased. Okay, I am to say you can see that a border is drawn, slightly light border is drawn in the particular paper, I am to say worksheet. Okay, so here you can see that a gap, okay, already measured, that is page intent. Now we are talking about paragraph intent. So okay, so according to paragraph intent we can increase the paragraph intent also. Okay, like this space. Again, if you are going to increase the intent like this, so you can see that paragraph is shifted, whole paragraph actually shifted to the what side? Right side. Same way we can decrease the what thing? Intent also. So you have to just click it again, click it again. Okay, now again you can click it again. Okay, so you can see, student, the intent by default intent is decreased by the paragraph. So we are going to do the same, I am to say this way. Now we are talking about, there are only two particular functions and say functionalities given there regarding to intent and paragraph. To do more, we can go to the format option and then go to paragraph. Okay, student, so here you can see that intent spacing, alignment, text flow, online numbering, tab, drop down cap, drop cap, border, etc. is given there. So now we are going to understand what is intent spacing, student. Okay, so here we can increase the intent and spacing with the help of paragraph dialog box also. So in this particular intent or spacing option is intent, I am say before text, after text, first line. Okay, so you can see, student, if I am going to increase 1 centimeter, okay, first before the text and first line, that is 2 centimeter. So what will happen? Look at here, student. So now if you are quick, okay, so now you can see that the whole paragraph is shifted to 1 centimeter. Okay, but my first line is shifted to at least 2 centimeter as compared to the other line of the paragraph. Okay, so we come back to the paragraph block again. Okay, so here you can see that 2 centimeter first line is shifted and 1 centimeter is whole what thing? Paragraph. Okay, so I'm going to do that 0 again to do the earlier mode. Okay, so now you can click on this one thing. Okay, so now we have to press OK, so it will come look like this only. Okay, if you are going to do the same thing again, I will show you what is going on. So what we are going to do, student, I'm going to make it 1, not 10, 1, and here is okay, here will be 2, first line I want to say 2 centimeter. Okay, then okay, so now what will the effect of the right and I'm just increment intent and decrease intent? So if you increase the intent, so whole paragraph will be shifted to increase intent option. Okay, it will no go forward like this particular left increase, I'm say margin. So you can see, student, that we have done work with what thing? Increment and decrement indentation along with more option of paragraph formatting. Now we are going to talk about, I'm going to do it again 0. Okay, we are going to now talk about paragraph spacing. Okay, student, so what is paragraph spacing? We have learned what is align paragraph. Okay, now we have understand the paragraph spacing. Okay, yes, student, there is a alignment paragraph in which we can see that some shortcut key also. There are 4 different type of spacing are there: left, right, center, and justify. Okay, so to do that, understand, student, we have to go to this particular paragraph and you can see this is centered, this is left side, okay, and this is justify. Okay, so we have to select all, then left side. Okay, I will increase it, by that you can easily understand what is going on. So I will increase the size of that one, suppose that this. So here is center, you can see that every character comes in a center. Okay, left side, the left side spaces will be left from here. Justify means from right and left both side, this will be considered as a center. Okay, and it will automatically in a justified way. Okay, so now I will tell you what is a shortcut for to align the particular paragraph also. So first thing, according to the book, here is Control F, that is left alignment. Now you can see it is automatically selected to this one. Control L, Control E, that is center. Okay, because Control E is center, because Control C is a copy. That's why here is Control E is a shortcut for center. Okay, Control L for left, Control E for center, Control R for right, Control J for justified. Okay student, so we have understand how to align them. So according to book it says the same thing student. So remember the shortcut of that one thing. Here is Control L for left alignment, Control E for horizontally, it means to say center horizontally, Control R for right alignment, and Control J for justified. Okay, so now we are going to understand line spacing in a paragraph. So how to do that student? To do that I am going to just copy another one paragraph from the book. Okay, the same one thing. Suppose that from here I am going to copy it. Okay, and I am just going to paste it here. Okay student, so now we can see how to perform the paragraph spacing. So I am going to increase it also. This is I think 14 size, so I am making it also 14 number size. Okay, 14. Now we will talk about paragraph formation. So what to do student? Now you select all, then go to format option and go to paragraph. Okay, in paragraph you will see here is spacing about the paragraph. So suppose that if I am going to above the paragraph 1 centimeter, below the paragraph again 1 centimeter. So you can just press OK. Now you can see that difference between these particular paragraphs. The gap is given there. Okay student, so same thing we can say that select them all, then go to format option, then after that go to paragraph option. You can decrease its what thing spacing also. So suppose that above the paragraph will be 0.50 and below the paragraph is what thing 0.2.0. So now you can see this is proper gap, you can see. Okay student, so by this we have learned how to provide the paragraph gapping. Next one thing I will tell you regarding to the paragraph, that is line spacing. Here you can see that line spacing of a paragraph whatever. So you can just go to there, 1.5 line you can select, double you can select, proportional you can select, at least you can select, least and fixed also. So I am going to select 1.5 line gap. So here you can see that the gap has come in each and every line of these two paragraph, 1.5 line of the gap. Okay, so now we are talking about the next one thing, that is font color, highlight color and background color student. Okay, so let's see what is the font color, background color and highlight color student. So to do that student, I'm going to make it what thing normal. So what I do, I will click on this one thing paragraph and I will press, I mean to say do it in a 0 mode. Okay, that means to say there is no gap between this. That's it. And now you can see that text color. Okay, so here I'm going to select the first one thing, that is the entire paragraph. So in this entire paragraph I'm going to change its font color. So I'm going to select the color like blue color, that is dark blue. Now you can see the color has changed of that. Now highlighting color. So suppose that this line I'm going to select as highlight color. So you can select any highlighter color. By default is blue, MC yellow. You can select any highlighter color that of your choice. So now you can see highlighter color. And at last we can say that background color of whole paragraph. Suppose that if I'm going to select this particular paragraph and background color I'm going to select like light brown. So now you can see student, we can change the font color also, highlighting color also, and background of a particular paragraph or the text also. So by that we can understand student how to perform the formation of the day, that is how to highlighting color, background color. So student, today we have completed what is paragraph formation, what is indentation and their aligning of the paragraph, assigning the font color, highlighting color, background color also. So student, I hope you are doing well. Okay, do the practice well and do the notes in your classwork copy. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.